Hey there and welcome. In this particular lecture, I'm going to show you how you can very quickly create a portfolio website for your web design brand. Now, since this course teaches you about web design, I think it's only logical if I show you that you can create a website in minutes that promotes your brand, all right? Which is basically a web design agency, if that's what you're doing. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So first thing is first is I'm on Hostinger, my hosting provider of choice, and I'm just going to go ahead and click add website. Now when you do so, you go for Hostinger website builder, and then I'm just going to leave it there for a second. In the meantime, I'm going to go back to ChatGPT. I'm going to delete this previous chat because I don't need it, and I'm going to start a new one. So I'm going to click to start a new chat. Now, right after we start this particular chat, I'm just going to go ahead and let me show you. So first and foremost, I'm going to describe myself. So I am, let's just say, Rawan Hamza, expert, right? Agency owner. We build all types of websites, of WordPress website, that is, WordPress websites. And I want you to describe the perfect portfolio website for our brand. Now, I'm going to say describe it for our Hostinger website builder. So this website acts as almost as a storefront for you. Now over here, as you can see, it's basically giving me a large description. And I think I said, no, I didn't say 1,000 words. I'm going to say the max is 1,000 words. So it cannot go ahead and generate all this text. But this is all pretty good description for a website. You can later on take this description and go ahead and edit your website on the basis of this. But what I really wanted is a simple description of no more than 1,000 words. Actually, not 1,000 words. It's 1,000 characters. Characters max. So the description shouldn't be this big. So you can see that right now it's giving us this description. I'm not sure if this is 1,000 words long, but let me just copy this for a second. If we go back to the Hostinger AI builder, they're asking us for the brand name. So let's say, for example, website pros. Let's say website pros here. I'm not sure if I can. Now, actually, it's 700 characters. I think they've reduced it. I want to say shorten it to 700 characters max. And let's see right now the version that it's going to give us. So let me go ahead and copy this. Hopefully this is pretty good. And then if we click Control V to paste, yeah, I think that's it's only 540. So look at the power of AI in such a fast amount of time. It's going to be able to generate a website just like this, with the snap of your fingers. Now it's working on it. So all I need to do is I'm going to have to wait a second until it works on it and generates the content. And you can see that now it has ultimately finished. And this is really nice. Custom WordPress websites tailored for you. Consult, learn about our expertise. We create custom WordPress websites tailored for your needs. Images about SEO, our services, WordPress design, e-commerce solutions, SEO services, reviews, footer. It's really, really tremendous how easy this is. And you can just simply go ahead and click edit website. If you don't like the way the website has been built, you can go ahead and just edit it. Even though I highly recommend you just go and add some calls to actions to buttons. And for example, here, link this button to a phone call or a Zoom phone calling service, or add your email and so on and so forth. But the bottom line is that this is a really amazing way to create a website really fast. And so that's pretty much it for this lecture. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I will definitely be seeing you in our big next update.